Morning, everyone. It's 8:36 on Thursday, and this is video number 1125 for Thursday morning, pre-open. And we had plenty of economic news this morning. Durable goods orders came in at down 0.9%, which is a miss. Expectation was down 0.6. And because it's Thursday, it's claims day, and claims were split. Initial claims were down 30,000 to 260,000. That's the first week in four that they're actually down. Continuing claims 1,675,000. That's up 40,000. And the first look at Q4 GDP, a big beat, 6.9%, and that's versus 5.5 expected. And the PCE also up 6.9% versus an expectation of 6.0. So prices higher too. Asia and Europe are both down this morning on our turnaround yesterday to the down, excuse me, to the downside, and we had a bunch of earnings. We had Tesla, which has problems with supply chain, but they did beat a massive beat, actually. They also said they were going to have no new models this year. They were going to concentrate on ramping up production. The stock is trading 935, which is up 330, but the range is unbelievable. 879 after the number came out, up to 987 on the reversal. So 935, pretty much mid-range. Netflix, Bill Ackman says that in the last couple of days they have bought 3.1 million shares. The stock is 375.70, up 16. Intel's been bouncing around after its earnings. The numbers were okay. Comments, I guess, were not. The stock has been trading pretty actively, been between 50 even and 51 and a half. Last is 50.05. That's down $1.64, 3.2%. Gap stores falling out of the S&P 500 as of next week, going into the mid cap. Corporate deals or corporate partnerships. Petco is going to put small pet stores in Lowe's stores. McDonald's was a miss based on expenses. They could not raise prices as quickly as inflation was rising costs. The stock is 245.43, down 437, 1.9. And Teradyne had a beat but gave very negative guidance going forward, and that one is getting pummeled here. 119.50 down 23.87 or 17%. Facebook is dismantling their entry into crypto. No comment. Okay, so last night, I'm just going to show you the chart on the screen is the S&P 500. And after yesterday's close at 43.41, which was barely down, we collapsed it. Right now it's actually up 22 on those numbers and the reversal, but it was actually down 100 lower than where it is right now. The low for the day overnight was 42.63. We're currently trading 43.63. So that's a pretty major bounce. The Dow was down 400. It is now showing up 77. Nasdaq was down over 200, currently up 76. And as I said, the S&P, which was 100 lower, is now up $23, $24. On the rest of the futures markets, we have the gold down again pretty hard. This 1850 area has continuously been a problem. And Dennis was long in this 1830 area, sold out. Up here at 1850 and change, was short yesterday, covered right near the lows, and of course we're lower today. If you are interested in, kind of a non-correlated asset trading program that is totally passive in the futures, you should absolutely give me a call, and I will discuss it with you, and if appropriate, introduce you to Dennis. He's not a broker. He does not get paid commissions, so there's no issue there. What he gets is a percentage of the profit. So if you don't make any money, he doesn't make any money. I haven't talked to him about it in about a week. But as of the end of last week, he was up over 30% year to date, and it was only halfway through the month of January. So you need to find out what that's all about. Rest of the futures, we have corn down a little. We have oil up again with a new recovery high of 88.34. I still hold my 91 to 100 range, higher high, higher low, again after consolidating after this big run from 66 and change all the way up to 87.10, consolidated down above the last breakout with a low of down here at 81.90, and now we're 88 and change on the high, 87.92 on the last. Bitcoin, I think I recall it was down a bit. Dollar up big, 77 cents. Bitcoin down 400, Ethereum down 52, and the bonds, which were down almost a point yesterday, have made back about 2/3 of that this morning, having been over 155.04. So there you have it. Be careful out there. This is a treacherous market. The best way to deal with it, I have found over the 50 years I've been involved, is to keep your position sizes appropriate to your risk profile and don't vary it. All right, everyone. I'll be back tonight.